Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn actually how to hack or do a replay attack on presenters like this one, which is normally available. This is Logitech R400. This operates at an ISM band around 2.4 gigahertz band. So we're going to learn actually how to do a replay attack, try to capture the signal and try to replay it. Alright, for this, for demo purposes, I have my other laptop which is connected to the receiver right here, which is the Logitech receiver. And just to show you, I have presentation which is right now running on this. So by pressing the button, as you can clearly see, my presentation is going forward, backward. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to catch this signal which is being received by this receiving dongle. And for that purpose, we're going to use my HackRF and a handy software which is known as URH, Universal Radio Hacker, which actually let you capture the signal and let you record this signal. So right now I have HackRF which is connected to my PC, to my laptop. Okay, so the next step is going to be this. We're going to go here and we're going to go to File. We're going to do Spectrum Analyzer. And here we're going to choose our device, which is going to be HackRF, and I'm going to choose the frequency to be 2.432 giga. This is where normally these ISM band Logitech or any presenter which is operating at ISM band operates. And I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to increase my gain, and I'm going to just show you indeed it is working. So right now there's nothing going on, and once I press this button, you would clearly see there's a spike on right here. Can you all see this? So this is what you're seeing right now. This is what you're seeing. This is just to show you that this clicker is operating and this device is actually receiving what is being sent through this. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn this mode off. I'm going to stop this. I'm going to turn this mode off, and I'm going to go to File. I'm going to record the signal actually. I'm going to record. So the next step is going to be just simply record this. So how am I going to record this? I'm going to hit a start button here while setting up all my parameter to be as of an Spectrum Analyzer one, the previous one, and I'm just going to simply hit play. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to press this button, which is a forward button. So this will start capturing some signal. Here we go. Wait for it, and I'm going to do one more stroke. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do two quick ones, just to see what's going on. So the two slides which are going faster, and I'm going to hit one backward. One is going back on the slide, and the other one, let's just go do one more forward one. Alright, so once I have all of the data, I'm gonna simply stop this. Alright, and once it's stopped, I'm gonna save this. Alright, and I'm gonna call this clicker 1. So I'm just gonna simply call it name clicker 1, and I'm gonna save it on my desktop. Alright, once I save this on my desktop, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close this, and let's wait for it to close. Just wait for it. Alrighty, we're still waiting. Alright, so once that is closed, I don't need to worry about what's going on in this bit sequence and things like that. What I'm gonna do, I have already my file which is there, which is clicker 1. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit a play button. I really don't care. So this is going to go into a transmitting mode, and I'm going to hit a play button. Once I hit a play button, I'll get another screen, which is this. So this samples, so if you remember it, you have two forward ones, and then this one was a little bit faster. I think one was the backward, going back on the slide, and this is a forward button. So let's try to see if I can repeat the sequence again. So I'm going to hit a play button. So this is right here. I'm not touching my clicker. This is right here. I'm just going to hit play, and let's look at it. What's going on? All right. So we have this forward one. You can see my slide is moving forward. Then I think two quick ones. Yeah, two quick ones. And I think one is going to go back. One slide. Yeah. And I think it's going to go forward. One slide. Yep. And now this sequence will keep repeating itself because I have chosen this to be infinitely repeating itself. So it will come back. It will forward my slides. And just to give you a demo of it, this is what it looks like. I'm not doing anything. There we go. This is what's going on. Yep, here we go. One forward. Here we go. So I'm not touching anything. That's my hack RF in the back. That's my laptop right here. And let's just see. Let's just see. So one is going forward. I hope you can see this presentation is being changed. And this is my receiver, which is connected right here. So I hope you like this small tutorial on replay attacks on these presenters and clickers. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.